Hi guys!
Boom! What's going on, JK Adventure fans? You guys are probably wondering why we're in such a weird position.
Yeah, we are. But
you are in for a treat. Literally, a treat. Tell the people what's going on.
so today we're going to be building a gingerbread house, trying that like viral TikTok where she dips it in the
Azúcar.
yeah, in the sugar.
Azúcar?
But fun fact, I feel like every video I have a fun fact to tell you guys. We bought this from IKEA last year.
Last year. This is a year-old gingerbread house kit.
No one will be consuming any products. Yeah, we kept it for a year. We're not hoarders.
Do people actually eat gingerbread houses? They've all been rock hard.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, it's definitely just for aesthetics, but...
Right? I hope so. We got this gingerbread house and we're gonna, I guess, try to make it.
If you guys don't even believe us, right there you probably can't see March 31st, 2020 is when it expires.
And for some reason it's already open.
Pause the video right now. Comment down below if you think we could do it.
Ready to get started?
Yeah, crack it open.
It's already open. And it fell a couple times, so I'm surprised none of the pieces broke. But it doesn't have icing.
Hold the door! This thing didn't even come with icing? We gotta buy our own icing? We're in a dilemma. Do we pause and get icing or try the sugar trick and just build it?
Let's just build it, I guess. I mean, we don't have icing. Can we make anything work here?
I think you have glue.
What the heck? We've had this for a year and didn't know it didn't come with icing? Are you kidding? Maybe someone opened it and ate the icing?
Definitely don't think that's possible.
It literally says right here you gotta make your own ice cream. F you, IKEA.
So now, this is the depressed look on our faces. Well,
Let's just build it.
we're gonna build it and we're gonna try the sugar thing. So let's see if the sugar TikTok idea works, guys. Let's get into it.
From that TikTok I saw, she didn't measure how much sugar. She just used white sugar. I have light brown sugar, like the thin one.
Y'all see that smoke? It's on fire. It's fire flames in this house. Cheat.
She just poured it in there. I'm gonna pop the video up right here for you guys to see, but...
Also, she didn't use brown sugar.
Well, she just used regular sugar, but she just doesn't melt the sugar. She didn't add any water or anything. She literally just melted it. I'm a little sad with the whole icing situation, but...
Alright guys, you see Juanita using a wooden spoon.
Oh my god,
Are you supposed to use a wooden spoon? I don't know. Let's find out in the few minutes, I guess.
it's
This is
melting.
ASMR.
It's actually melting.
Holy cow, this is gonna go quick. Alright guys, now it's melting. This is gonna roll really quick. Make sure you have your ginger in your hand and your bread in the other.
What? You make me crack up. You crack me up.
You ever build a house before? It's in your job description to kind of at least look at them.
I told you I didn't want to be telling the people where I work. What if they come for my company? Sugar is melting. Look at it, guys. I'm doing a great job in the kitchen.
Well, it looks like it's ready.
Okay.
Alright, any kids that are watching, which, knowing our personalities, a smart parent would not allow their kid to watch this. But if you're that one kid that likes to live life on the edge,
Make sure you have a parent because sugar, it gets really hot, and this right now is a war zone. Alright? I'm living dangerously. But that's on me. And don't be like me. Be someone smarter.
I'm ready to watch this whole process go down.
Yeah, you put this.
Oh yeah, that's super sticky. This is supposed to be a faster process, which I have no idea how that's gonna work.
Hers like stuck instantly.
That wall on that side's looking a little sideways. You need a leveler?
Bring the leveler, babe.
Look, it stayed!
Not really.
It kind of stayed. If you hold it straight.
Yeah. This is one bougie ass house. Oh my god, our sugar's already melted, already hardened again.
I'll pop it back on.
Broke. Yeah, we gotta pop it back on.
What broke?
This piece is, yeah, it's not sticking. It has to be harder.
Harder?
Yeah, it's like caramel. Fail.
Well, let's pop it back on. Pause. Clearly amateur hour. Reheating. Okay, guys, so round 2. We're gonna try it again. We got broken pieces. We're gonna build it over here.
We gotta, yeah, we're gonna have to put our pieces back together, so.
So first, that should be the first piece.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put this one together. See, TikTok makes everything look so easy. We got a lot of broken parts to fix. Just like I said, please do this with the parental guidance because this burns. Stand back, the builder's here.
I mean, you have one wall with 3 connecting points. How is this even going to be successful?
Because we're going to, what we're going to do here.
You see the smoke looking like a lava from JUANA?
I'm going to work with this piece and this piece. I think you really have to burn it. You have to make it bubble. Because now it's not getting like taffy. See, look, it really, wow, it really like stuck together.
Oh yeah.
How do you cover this when you decorate?
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know about the burnt ends. Boom!
Look at our foundation, guys. My business would be so proud. Except, let me not show that sign. My business would be so proud. Look at me. Come on, pay raise.
Come on, pay raise.
The way she was grabbing hers, she literally, let me show you. She like dunked and dunked. She dunked one side. She flipped that thing over. Dunked the other side. Popped it on her thing. And freaking popped it on. Wow, this is so much easier. The one we built with the kids was so hard.
Link is going to be on the top right corner if you want to click and watch that video, by the way.
I just want to pop some up here to like really get it in.
Insulation, guys. It's Christmas.
It gets cold outside. Okay, well the chimney you gotta put together. I don't know. I gotta see the instructions for that. Because it's like...
And boom! Gingerbread house made! Let's get some motion picture action right here.
Okay guys, Kirk, you saw didn't do any of the work. I did. But I want him to feel the foundation of my house.
Oh, listen to that. I know you hear blue. That is
Like, pick it up. Pick it up. You can never really pick one up, like, right after. You gotta pick it up.
Yeah.
The thing is not going anywhere.
Not going nowhere, guys. So that's what we just did. Another day of Vlogmas 2020. Build a gingerbread house. It feels cool.
It does. It feels really cool. So this might just be our gingerbread house. I mean, this side looks cool with the little drops.
Yeah.
Y'all can see, but pretty cool, man.
This was comical.
It was a fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below on how you build your gingerbread houses and if you've tried this TikTok. And if not, I don't know what you're doing, but you should definitely try it. And yeah, guys, I guess we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Peace.